Yo, what up, homies? So today I'm gonna be unboxing this turbo kit that I got sent from maXpeedingrods. This is the company. They were nice enough to send me a turbo kit for the E36, and I'm excited that it's rated up to 600 horsepower. So right now the stock, the E36, the 325i, it's a little bit lower than 200 horsepower, so not much at all. So I'll show you what comes with the package and let's go. So this is the big old box it comes in. It's really heavy, and this is the turbo. Let me pull that out. I actually already opened it because I was really excited to see this. It's really heavy. Comes with the gaskets, customer service card. That's awesome. And these are all their multiple warehouses around the world. Pretty dope because I got it in like 4 days and I'm right here in California. So fast shipping is for sure. As you can see, it says fast shipping guaranteed, so they're not lying. Got all this cool foam protect turbo. And there it is. Let's pull it out. Put it back on here. Look at this baby. So yeah, so this is the GT35 turbo. Look at how beautiful it is. It's big. And it's rated, like I said before, rated to 600 horsepower. Let's pull this big Johnny. So it's wrapped up pretty good. Look at that. Cannot wait to have this in the car. Let me show you a comparison. Cause they'd be like, it's not that big, it's not that big. It's like the size of my head, almost bigger. So that's awesome right there. I like how they packaged it. Everything is secure. Let's go on to what's next. Let's pull out this big box. Looks really good. You see my face? So that's awesome. Let's see what else. Got everything in here, man. So these are all the hose clamps for all the piping. And here's all the piping that comes with it. Let me show you. Got all the silicone hoses to connect these pipings. We got some 90s, like 290s, and then the regular couplings. Let me pull this out so you guys can see, get a better look. Really good material. Then we got more hose clamps as well, so we don't run out and we're not like, oh man, I need to go to the store. So this little box says BOV. Guessing it's the blowout valve, and I am correct. Let me take it out so you guys can see it. It's the blow-off valve. Really cool. I really like this color, like a metallic gray. Ready for the turbo noises, boys. Can't wait. What else is in here? Woo, boys, look at this. It has all of my gauges. Dang. So you got your RPMs, your oil pressure, water temp, and oil temp. And then we got all the turbo lines right here. Nice. Stainless. Let's see what this little box has inside, bro. I need two hands. Oh, it's the boost controller. Sick. High performance. Points to the wastegate. Another little box, bro. I've never done a turbo build, so a lot of this stuff, like, I'm gonna be learning, but it's not too hard. Oh, it's got a fuel pressure gauge. Nice. Solid fittings. So we got 2 more boxes in here. Let's see what's this. I think I know, but I don't. Oh, it's the heat shield. Nice. Pretty badass. This is the last box right here. And this is the wastegate. Looks pretty cool. All these parts are obviously new. They don't sell used parts. And this is everything that the turbo kit comes with. The only thing that it doesn't come with is the manifold, but they do have one for sale there. It's really affordable, I believe around $100. The last of the stuff that's in here, they're cool enough to send me a bunch of stickers, which I'm gonna obviously blast up on the car once I like paint it or wrap it. All these stickers are gonna be all up on the car. So there you have it. The turbo kit comes with obviously the turbo, then you got the intercooler, then you got the oil feed lines with the stainless steel lines, then you got the wastegate, then you got the blow-off valve, then you got the tachometer, which is a 4-in-1. It's oil pressure, oil temp, water temp, RPMs. You got all the piping with the couplers and the elbows for the intercooler piping. Then you got the gaskets, hose clamps, heat shield. Oh, this is fuel pressure, then boost control. Whew. So I'm excited for having this whole kit, and I'm very thankful for maXpeedingrods. And if you haven't looked them up or checked out their website, it's maXpeedingrods, as it's spelled right here, .com. Check them out. Like I said before, they have a lot of cool parts, and if you haven't also already, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss anything from this build, because it's gonna get crazy. The homies at Proper Fab Works, they live down the street. They're gonna help me out, and everything's gonna be good. So make sure you don't miss it. And again, thanks to maXpeedingrods, we're gonna build a really sick E36, the best and at least in Southern California. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.